Hey guys, welcome back. And we just received a shipment from Loot Crate from their presidential sale. So let's see what we got. Alright, so first off, we got a Thanos, and he was $3.99. And the material is awesome. Then we got their Ghostbuster shirts. And these ones, I believe, were $2.99 each. And they're pretty cool looking. We got two of those. Then we got the Wasp from Ant-Man and the Wasp. And the material's all really nice, like thin material. You can see, but it's like a soft, thin. The Wasp looks pretty cool. Got two of those. And then we had to get Ant-Man, and that looks pretty cool. And the material again is light, but soft. And we got two of those. And it says flip me inside out. So give me a second to flip this around and see what this box. Oh look, you can see there's like, looks like Batman and Joker. Alright, let's flip this around and see what it looks like. Check it out, guys. The Loot Crate box turns into this really cool apartment building. AC units on top. It says Go Batman. Has a little puppy on there. You got Joker and Harley. Little cat. Some dude looks tired as heck. Graffiti from Joker, I'm guessing. You got an arrow in Batman's head. Got the penguin there. So yeah, guys, that was my shipment from Loot Crate. From the presidential sale they had, $3.99 was the average. I believe these were $3.99, the Ant-Man. These were $2.99 for the Wasp. These were $2.99. And Thanos was $3.99, so it was a pretty good deal for some nice shirts. They're really nice material, especially after you wash them. I've had shirts from Loot Crate before, and they come in this cool box that turns into something pretty cool. So thanks for watching, guys. That was Loot Crate shipment. So see you guys next time. Oh no, giant dog! Oh!